Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we are installing a new cabin filter in a 2008 Cadillac CTS 4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. All right, to gain access to the cabin filter, we're going to remove this part of the cowl. We're going to pull this weather stripping aside. Then we're going to take our ratchet with a 7mm socket, take these screws out. We're going to lift up on this panel, pull it out of the way. Right, there's a cover right here over the filter. You're going to grab on this side, a little release over here, right there. So you grab that with your fingers and pull it out. We can pull the cabin filter straight out. Put the new filter in. I'm going to slide it down here. On the top of the filter, it actually shows the direction which the airflow is going to go. So you're going to make sure that's going towards the cab of the car. Push down, that will stay like that. We'll put this cover on. Just like that. Now we're going to put this panel back on. There's some clips in the back, some tabs. You want to make sure those go underneath this piece on the lower part of the windshield. Line the holes up. We'll start all the screws. Then we'll tighten them all down, snug. Good. We'll reinstall this weather stripping. Just push it right on. Put this piece back. Like that.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.